Escape the city's hustle and bustle. Nestled amidst the serene farmlands of Erode, Tamil Nadu, lies the Croft, a weekend retreat designed for tranquility and connection. Built for a young couple seeking a getaway, the Croft prioritizes both privacy and connection with the outdoors. The inward-looking design creates a haven for relaxation, while offering glimpses of the stunning surroundings through strategically placed openings. Step into the heart of the home, a haven of open spaces designed for gathering and connection. Large windows offer panoramic views of the landscaped gardens, while skylights overhead flood the area with warm sunlight that dances throughout the day. Unwind and reconnect with loved ones at the inviting poolside area. The cleverly designed bar with its striking cantilever form adds a touch of modern elegance. A separate entry caters to guests, ensuring everyone feels comfortable and welcome. The Croft embraces a connection with nature through its material choices. Locally sourced wood, stone, and terracotta create a sense of warmth and authenticity. The extensive use of oxide finishes adds depth and character, reflecting the beauty of the earth. Respect for the environment lies at the heart of the Croft's design. Existing trees were meticulously preserved, and new greenery was thoughtfully incorporated to create a flourishing ecosystem. Imagine waking up to the chirping of birds, the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves, and the warm sunlight filling your senses. The Croft offers an escape that nourishes the soul, fostering connection with nature and loved ones. The Croft, your idyllic weekend retreat awaits. Let nature's symphony and the warmth of connection create an everlasting experience.